Then we got all of these that need to be cleaned, guys. All of these are that just came back dirty, guys. Now we do clean at the customer property when we are picking up, but there are times that we just don't have time to clean up like really, really good. So these ones just need a good cleaning. We got a 12-foot water slide. We got a bounce house combo. We got another combo right here. Another combo. These two are here are ninjas. The other ninja is at the warehouse. That one is clean. Yep, the other one's at the warehouse. Then we got the 15-foot Blue Wave, the Sunfun Inflatables 15-foot Volcano. This is the only ones that need to be cleaned. So we got some work. All right, this is behind the scenes. This is we got clean tarps. Some of these tarps are already old. We're gonna upgrade, like this one. We're just gonna go ahead and retire this tarp. We probably could still use it. I don't know. Some of these tarps just need to be replaced. All right.